Okay, so today for dinner, I'm indulging in mini Mart Caribbean grocery and cuisine. Okay, over the weekend I passed by there and somebody was like, "There's a Jamaican place over there. They can get your oxtail." So everybody know I love my oxtail, right? So so I said, okay, well Thursday when I get off, I going over there to get my dinner. So here's their card. So this will be my first time trying. So let's get into it. Sunshine. Ooh. Oh, they smell so good. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. Oh, oh my God. The cabbage and the rice. Ooh. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, baby. Oh, my goodness. Okay. All right. It looks good. All right. Here goes the. Here goes. Oh, that's soft. Mm. Ooh, that's falling off the damn bone. Okay. Mm. Mm. Oh, that literally fell off the bones. Oh my gosh. Okay. Get to this rice. I'm getting to this rice. If you threw it up in the air, it would turn into sunshine. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Sunshine. OMG. Now, when I usually want oxtail, I have to go basically 20 minutes, all depends if they're traffic, 25 minutes away from my home to go get some oxtail. This place here is like literally 7 minutes away from my house. Y'all know where I'm gonna be at, right? I was thinking, I'm on that end. But when I was oxtail, okay. Mm. It feels like sunshine. Get into a salad. This is going up the salad. Look at what's on these cabbage. Mm. 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 Oh yeah. Yes. 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 I would literally divulge this whole plate. But Milo but had a snack before I went and got dinner, which I know every time I get off sale, which I never been to this place before, but usually when I get off sale, it usually lasts me 2 days. And they at this new place did not disappoint. This is like 2 days. 2 days of food right here. They loaded up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And y'all know what's so funny? Look at the shirt. And I didn't even thought about it this morning before I got dressed for work. Look at the shirt I got on today. Oh, there it is right there. That's the shirt I had on today. I ain't never had nothing like this before. And you can tell it's freshly made. Got freshness to it. It's seasoned real good, which is good. Mm. This meat is literally falling off the dang on bone. Like what the ham sandwich? Mm. You ain't never felt nothing like this. Yeah. Yeah. Look, and let me tell you, I ain't never had. Let's get into it. See, when you're home, you can eat with your fingers, okay? Gonna make me falling off the bone. Making me feel good like this. I mean, it's a 10. And price comparison wise, It's like, well, food-wise, you get the same amount of food, and it tastes equally great. But the bonus is, this is like, it's $7 cheaper. And it's cheaper because I spend less money in gas to go on the other side of town. So, and I can have it in less than 10 minutes because it's like 7 minutes away from my house. So this is a win-win-win. Win-win-win. And if I'm hungry, it'll still be hot by the time I get home. When I go to the other place, I usually have to stop on the side of the road to eat it before I get home because I don't want it cold. And I like heating it up the second day, but I don't like heating it up the initial time when I want to eat. I'm crazy, I don't know. But anyway, yes. So this is my review of the mini Mart rice and cabbage meal. Check them out. The address is 119 North Goose Creek Boulevard in Goose Creek. Boom. And they open Monday through Saturday. They're not open on Sunday from 10:30 to 9 p.m. So yeah. So they got groceries and they got this delicious food. Yeah, so this Cuisine part just was open a year. The store was open for 4 years. The Mini Mart, 119 North Goose Creek Boulevard in Goose Creek. So the rest of this will be ate for lunch tomorrow. Now I will heat this up in my truck. Take this to work with me. I might have to take a nap. Let me stop because I'm about to stuff myself. And they was very nice. Cordial, the vibe was really nice. The owner even came over and spoke to me. Yeah, that's good. All right, peace.
She's a hell of a woman.
Eat until you're satisfied. And if you're not satisfied, you better throw it in the trash. This right here, it's not hitting nobody's trash. It's hitting my stomach. Okay, okay.
Please me, baby. Everything I need in a lady. No exaggeration, I can't lie. So good like sunshine.